I just discovered a new method to fix Capcut templates not showing up. So I never seen this method showing in any other videos. So I'm gonna show you in this video. Make sure you watch this video. It's a very short video, so I can help you enjoy templates. Templates are awesome and it can save you a lot of time. So what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is to head over to settings, and here you click on general. Also, don't worry if I'm using iPad, but you can do this on your iPhone, on your Android as well. So if you are on Android on your iPhone, make sure you go to general, and here go I click on software update, and here make sure you update your software. This can fix the problem. Fix for a lot of my friends and for myself as well. That's on my iPhone. On my iPad it already worked, but also on your Android, make sure just update your phone. Just head over there to settings, and you should see there software update or something around that. And now if that didn't work, another way is to simply update TikTok. Alright, and it should work just fine. Don't reinstall, delete and uninstall the app. That won't work. I know I've tried that myself and it didn't work. Also try to restart your phone as well. This can fix the problem as well. So make sure you power off and restart your phone or iPad, and this should work just fine, guys. Make sure you have let me know in the comment section if this worked. I really appreciate to hear your feedback.